In this video, we're going to be creating a little improvisation, a song-like improvisation, and we're going to use two different basic tools. The right hand is going to have pentascales on the white keys, classic beginner's hand positions where there's one finger per white key, and we're going to essentially move this hand position to various places on the keyboard. The left hand is going to be working with block open fifths. So it is in a very similar position as the right hand, but it's only going to be using the outer fingers, so not the middle three. So it's going to be moving around like this in blocks, meaning the tones are played at the same time, not broken, not yet, just block, moving around like this. And the right hand is going to have pentascales. So that's the idea in it, the essence of it. And I can move this around to different locations. Notice the hands are moving parallel. I move down to the A pentascale in both hands. F. Okay. Now, rather than just going up the tones in my pentascale, I want to create some sort of pattern that I can remember. Let's see what that might be. Maybe I do something like this. Okay. I'm going to do that in F. Move everything down to F. Back again. To C. G, to F. Okay. Now the left hand, does it just have to hold the whole time that I'm doing this? It doesn't. You could have some sort of pulse. We're going to go to A. Do I have to pulse at that tempo? No, maybe I'm pulsing this fast. Let's go to A, to G, F, back to C. Now, I could pulse this even faster. Up. I've been moving down all this time. How about up here? To G, A. Now, do they have to be lockstep in tandem, just an octave away from each other? They do not. Let's move this all the way down here. Still in an A position. Both hands are in A. Let's go to F. To A. Let's go to G. Okay. Does this have to be a steady pulse? No, I could create some sort of rhythm. Whoa. But I would have to practice that, right? To get the coordination between the two hands. But could this be a rhythm? It could. I'm getting closer, but I would need some practice. Could the right hand be faster? I could do something like, and just have this held. Let's go to D. F. Back to A. Okay, great. Could I, I just like that little figure. That's really, really nice. Anyway, I think you get the idea. The right hand is in a pentascale position. You've created a melodic fragment or motive or even a full phrase within that hand shape. And you just take that idea and move it to various locations. And the left hand is doing the open fifth of those locations, either just held or some sort of pulsing or some sort of rhythm. I remember what I was going to do. Let's tone this down, take the tempo down. Does this have to be identical every time? No, you can vary it. So what if it is something like this? I'm going to move it around and vary it in small ways. G. Let's do A again. That was the first figure. With a little add. Same idea. Gonna spread out. But you get the idea. You can vary things up here. All right. Have fun with that.